That dreaded day of the year when you give your hard-earned salary to the IRS is right around the corner, and Americans will do just about anything to get out of it. That's according to a new national survey from WalletHub. It shows 27% of people would prefer getting an IRS tattoo to dishing out money for taxes. Does a temporary one count? Nope, we're talking about a permanent tattoo, and it gets worse. 6% of people would rather sell a kidney, 8% would rather name their firstborn taxes, and 11%, stop listening right here if you get queasy, would rather spend 3 entire years cleaning bathrooms at Chipotle, where there was a norovirus outbreak. The study also showed that for many tax-hating Americans, folding 100 fitted sheets is better than paying up. And what do most Americans plan to do with their refunds? The majority of people said they'd save the money or pay off debts. Okay, so at least we're being responsible. Buzz 60 Now You Know, pass it on.